Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4 that is in week 9. Remember that we are solving SIMnet assignment and our module name, course name is IT 115 Spreadsheet Application SI Fall 2025 Gracia. So first we will open our project. Our today project that we discussed in today assignment name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. So in start we just move toward there in required and start file, click on start file, that is just downloaded, click that one, it is just getting opening. Then now we are moving toward our project. So in today project we will discuss independent project 3 to 4. We are on window and there is for this project you create a columns chart to graph profit margin for classical gardens and landscapes. You also create a line chart to illustrate a break-even point in units for new catalog items. So student learning outcomes we will cover 3.1 to 3.6 SLOs in today's assignment. File needed, this one we have to need that we have already downloaded, and after completed our file name would be this one. So we are just moving towards skill cover in today project. We will cover how many skills in today project, just like create a chart object, size and position a chart object, edit and format chart elements, added the source data for chart, build a line chart object, added access label, position the legend, add and format grid lines in the chart. So all these skills we will cover in today's project. Let me move toward instruction. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. So now we are moving toward graded part. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in instruction? So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. We have 16 questions. 17 is non-graded one, then 18 and 19. So we have 16 questions in graded part. Let me start today's assignment. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. So open Classic Guardian 013 start file, that is already open. Okay, then we have if verb open in protected view, click enable editing. Okay, we have to click on enable editing. Then the file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, it is automatically renamed. So question number 1 is done. After solving question 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. Use quick analysis tool to create a cluster column chart object for cell A4 to G9. So first we have to select the range A4 to G9. Then we have to use quick analysis tool to create cluster column chart. Okay, so quick analysis tool to create cluster. This one is cluster column chart. First part is done in question number 2. Now we are moving toward okay, question number 2 is done. In question number 2 we just use quick analysis tool to create cluster column chart object for A4 to G9, and we have done that one. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3 what we have to do, move the chart object so that its top left corner is at cell E12. Now we have to move that toward E12. Then size bottom of chart to reach H30, and bottom we have to reach to H30. First we move there H, then drag toward 30. Okay, So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, what we have to do? We have to move the chart object so that its upper left corner must be in A12 and its bottom corner must be in H30. So we have done and we get this result. Okay. So after solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Added the chart title to display this one on first line. Okay, so we just copy this line that we have to in chart title there in first line, then on first line, on second line by department. Okay, in second line we have to in, and we have to press alt enter to next line. So where is alt and enter? Now we are just moving to our next line. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to edit the chart title to display CGL gross margin in dollars on first line. On second line, type by department. So in formula bar, we have to press alt enter to start a new line, and we have done that one, and we get the result. Okay. We just so question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving to our question number 5. In question number 5, what we have to do? We have to apply chart style 14. Here we have to apply chart style. So first we have to select this chart. Then in chart design, we have to open chart this and select 14. Where is chart style 14? This one. Okay. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to apply chart style 14 to that chart that we have created. Question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. We have to apply one PPT black text, one outline to the chart area. Chart area. No, it's plot area and it's chart area. So here we have to apply. What we have to apply? We have to apply one PPT black text, one outline. So click on format and here is outline, shape outline, and from outline what we have to apply? We have to apply one PPT black text one. Okay, so that is done. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have apply one PPT black text one outline to the chart area, and we have done that one and get this result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. Remember that we are solving Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4 independent project, and we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we are moving toward question number 7. Remember that in graded part we have 16 questions. You may see again we have 16 questions in graded part, and we are on question number 7. Okay, so let me solve question number 7 step by step. Display primary minor horizontal axis grid line. Format the major value axis grid line with black text one outline color. So we have to apply grid lines. And what grid line? We have to display primary minor horizontal grid line. So primary, minor, horizontal grid line. Then format the major value axis grid line with black text on. So there we have to apply black text one. Okay. Then do not change the color for manure grid lines. So this is done. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we have to display primary manure horizontal grid axis grid line. We have displayed there. Then format the major value axis grid line with black text 1 outline color. Do not change the color for manure grid lines. And we have done and we get this result. Okay. So question number 7 is done. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10 up to 16. Okay. So in today video we discuss SIMnet assignment, that name is Excel 2021 practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. In start we download required file. After that then we just move toward there and we just move toward instruction file and we solve question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In graded part we have 16 question. Out of 16 we have done first 7 to 8 question, mean 50% assignment is done from my side. You may compare our solution with this one. We have done this one already and you may compare that we are exactly going 100% same as we have solution provided. Okay. So in today's video we have discussed almost 50 to 55% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, sim book project, Power BI project, SQL project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me and you will get 100% marks. Okay, and I'm going to give a biggest opportunity for every client, for every student, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client, but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 independent project 3 to 4. In graded part we have 16 questions. Out of 16 questions we have done first 8 questions, means 50% assignment is done from our side. Okay. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. We will meet soon with next assignment. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future.